The best thing with mechanical keyboards is the ability to change out your switches. So these three switches are the Akko Dracula, another linear switch. The QWE are the Akko Rosewood, and the F row here is the standard switches, the MX switches that come in with the keyboard. So a little sound profile or a little sound test for you. They're more on the kind of side of sound. They're typical switches you'll find in a gaming keyboard. The Dracula, more of a poppy kind of sound. Feels and sounds more premium. And the Rosewood, lower, deeper, pretty good.